A homemade hair growth oil that works overnight. It helps reduce hair loss and makes thin hair look fuller. All thanks to natural ingredients. Rosemary is an amazing herb known for its strengthening properties. Cut a few fresh sprigs of rosemary and place them in a bowl. Rinse them well with water to remove any impurities. Pour about 4 cups of water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Place a metal bowl inside to create a water bath. Add about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes the hair, protects it from breakage, and leaves it soft and shiny. The next ingredient is castor oil. Pour in about 2/3 of a cup. Add the cleaned rosemary sprigs to the oils and stir thoroughly. Heat in the water bath for about 20 minutes so the ingredients can blend and release their benefits. Strain the mixture into a clean container, then transfer it to a sealed jar. That's how you make homemade rosemary hair oil. Used regularly, it strengthens the roots, reduces shedding, and leaves hair thick, full, and radiant.